Man, I got something really cool to show you guys tonight. We're gonna do a really unique piece of meat, and you're gonna absolutely love this. We're gonna combine beef and bacon, and that's all that needs to be said. You know, when I started this YouTube channel, I really didn't have any idea where it would lead. And the bigger the channel got, the more brands were reaching out to me. And it was brands that I hadn't heard of, items I haven't heard of. And I really kind of resisted that quite a bit. I just told them that I really didn't have a place for it on my channel, or, I just wasn't interested. I tried to be as polite as possible. But then I started getting some nice brands, some manufacturers that were, very reputable and putting out great products. And when they started contacting me, it got my attention. So I started kind of reaching out to other manufacturers and, everything from small little grilling tools to pits to, meat. And, meat is a huge part of barbecue. The quality of your meat, I've talked about it on this channel many, many times. Everything starts, if you want good barbecue, everything starts with the quality of meat you select. In this day and age where we mass produce so much stuff to feed the masses, quality can be, just not up to par with a lot of things. And meat is one of those. If you're not buying at least choice, if you're buying the cheapest thing you can find at the grocery store, then it's going to present, a meat, a final result that just isn't going to be as good as you'd like. So, it all starts with the grade of meat, the quality of meat, and that's what led me to Lobels. Lobels absolutely has some wonderful things on their menu. And when I reached out to them to see if they'd be interested in doing a type of collaboration, they embraced it and they sent me this incredible piece of meat. And we're gonna cook it on the Lone Star Grillz Santa Maria grill. Man, this is gonna be one heck of a cook. Take a look at this piece of meat. I'm gonna use a little Stubbs beef on this. This just smells amazing. The thing about Lobels is they ship everything fresh. And that is the opposite of what most companies in my experience do. Most of it comes frozen. And this just makes it real nice. You can order it, and as soon as you get it, you can cook. Customer service was great. They're easy to work with, very prompt. And everything in my experience with Lobels and getting this piece of meat went really well. There we go. Now the main thing, let it come up to room temperature while we get our fire ready. And if you guys aren't using chimneys to get your charcoal started, man, you need to invest in a chimney. It really doesn't matter what kind, but chimney allows you to get that fire going so much faster. It just kind of, intensifies that heat, keeps it all together, and then when you pour it out into your smoker or your grill, you're ready to roll. I use a little fire starter cube here. There's all kinds of different things you can use. Just put that lighter fluid away. And then we'll put the chimney right on top. And this thing's gonna come to life here in just a few minutes.
So I'm using lump charcoal here. Anytime I do steaks or any type of beef like that, I want to use, the hottest fire that I can get. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the Santa Maria from Lone Star up so it's doing indirect heating. And that's the beauty of this grill, is you can set it up any way that you want. And the way that I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna raise the meat so that it's high enough above the fire that it's not gonna give me a sear. I'm just gonna be able to basically do a reverse sear. I'm gonna get some heat on it, bring it up to temperature kind of gradually. I'm using a piece of hickory wood there for some additional flavor, and I can adjust the fact that it's direct or indirect by raising or lowering the grill surface. So like I said, we're gonna start out indirect. Let's go ahead and get this meat on here, and we're gonna raise it up so that it's just getting heat. It's not charring, it's not searing at all. And once we get up to somewhere around 105 degrees, then I'm gonna go ahead and drop it down right onto the coals for the most part and get a beautiful sear. When you're doing a piece of beef or any type of meat this thick, you need to let the inside kind of come up gradually. That way you don't burn the outside. Man, that's a wonderful looking piece of meat. Lobels of New York is a family business, and they've had a shop on Madison Avenue in New York since 1950 or so, or in the 50s sometime. Their beef products, the top 2% of high prime graded beef in the United States. It doesn't get much better than that. And you can see the attention to quality that they demand with just this one steak. And I tell you, I've had many orders from Lobels already, and they're all the exact same way. Now that I'm getting ready to go ahead and sear the tenderloin, I also had a pork tenderloin that I'm doing, so why not go ahead and throw that on there. I was smoking that on the Rectech, and now I want to get some color on it from the fire here on the Santa Maria. And here you can see this beef tenderloin is ready. I've got it up to 130 degrees internal, and I've got a nice, beautiful color on the outside. It's time to go ahead and slice this guy up. Oh my gosh, I'm super happy with the way this turned out. The color, the smell, the juiciness. Oh my gosh, you don't get much better than this. With my Coolina knife, I'm gonna go ahead and slice this guy up. Look at the inside. Oh my gosh, what an amazing piece of meat. Lobels is also going to offer one of these for a winner on this video. So what you have to do to qualify to be a winner is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, you leave a comment saying something cool about the video, and tag 3 people in your comment. That way you can qualify, and in a couple of weeks, we're gonna go ahead and announce a winner, and you can go ahead and get your free beef tenderloin roast. Let's try this guy out. Oh my gosh. Just the beautiful smokiness, the tenderness. It just like melts in your mouth. This is an amazing piece of meat. They got the bacon on the finish, and you can't do it any better than that, guys.